And I'm also trying to find some sheep. I want to put my American boots on.
American boots are sitting out there soaking wet.
No, they ain't. I keep them under the porch. I keep them under the camper.
They're sitting out here in the grass.
No, they ain't.
Why are you crying?
Because I ain't gonna be able to play.
Why are you even down here?
Because I want some salt.
Why?
Because they'll make a blisters.
Okay. Still, why are you crying?
Because I'm sitting out there in the rain.
And whose fault is that?
Mine?
I mean, why are you crying to me?
Because, I'm sitting there in the rain.
I still don't understand. Why are you in here crying at me?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you okay? Why are you still crying?
I mean, it hurts my feelings.
What hurts your feelings?
I mean, I'm sitting there in the rain.
What did I do?
I'm going to go get some socks on.